Welcome. Today we're diving into one of the core concepts of C hash, classes and objects. In C, everything revolves around these two ideas. Think of a class as a blueprint and objects as the real-world items created from that blueprint. For example, imagine a car. The idea of a car, its shape, features, and functions can be described in a class. When you actually build a car, you're creating an object based on that class. This approach helps organize code, making it easier to manage and expand. As we move forward, you'll see how classes and objects work together to bring your programs to life. See how to create a class in C. You use the class keyword followed by the class name. For example, to represent a car, you write class car. Inside the class, you can declare variables, which are often called fields or attributes. In our example, we might have a color field set to red. This field describes a property every car object will have. Remember, it's a good practice to start class names with an uppercase letter, and often the file name matches the class name for better organization. While this isn't strictly required, it helps keep your code tidy and easy to navigate. Think of a class as a detailed plan or blueprint. It defines what attributes and methods an object will have, but it doesn't represent any real thing until you create an object from it. For instance, the car class might specify that every car has a color and can perform actions like drive or brake. When you create a new car object, you're bringing that blueprint to life. This separation between the plan and the actual object is what makes object-oriented programming so powerful. It allows you to create multiple objects from the same class, each with its own unique values and behaviors.